Once again at noon, at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 31 degrees with a wind chill of 22, with light freezing rain and fog. Here is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield and Hocking. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 a.m. Friday. Snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Rapidly dropping temperatures during the afternoon and evening will lead to quickly deteriorating road conditions as snow continues to fall through the evening hours. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. Friday.